Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am using my how to draw a wildcat directions so that I can complete an art challenge. Enjoy as I finish up my wildcat. I'll tell you more about my challenge real soon. With my wildcat all drawn and outlined, I can begin to explain my art challenge. Because it is now December, I wanted to make a cool, snowy winter picture. My challenge is to draw a snow creature and color it using only a cool color scheme. Based on the colors I have out, can you tell what colors are part of a cool color scheme? Take a guess. You may have noticed that colors like green, blue, and purple are part of a cool color scheme. A cool color scheme is one that makes a person feel cool or calm. Color has a really interesting way of making people feel a certain type of way. So when we see cool colors, we kind of can't help but feel icy cold, cool, or at very least calm. Now that my cool color snow creature is complete, my challenge for you is to make any creature and color it using only cool colors. Happy making, artists, and enjoy!